Hi, this is Lori, and welcome to my channel.
Hi, this is Bill. Welcome to my channel. We're having a bad hair day, so you're not going to see much of our face in this video. Lori, what are you doing?
Today I'm making the biggest pizza I have ever made, which is, and I have 14 inches here measured out. So we usually make just a 12-inch pizza, so we'll see how this works. And this is my Biga dough, so hopefully it'll do me justice.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. And we're probably going to cut this, edit it to shorten this thing up. It's not going to be a short, but it's not going to be a long one.
A long one.
A long one. And we're using our Ooni tonight, our Ooni Koda 16. And from the heat management perspective, we've had it warming up for about 25-30 minutes now.
Okay, so now I'm going to really stress this out as big as I can. Oh, and this Biga dough is just wonderful. Oh, maybe need a little bit more. And this is really a no-need, very low maintenance pizza. Ooh.
Oh.
Do you think I made 14 inches?
Well, you got the tape measure.
It's almost there, huh?
I think it's pretty close.
Okay. So this was a 470 pizza ball. 470 grams pizza ball.
And we're kind of using a little different format tonight. We're going to see if we can make like express pizzas in a sense.
Well, an express video.
Yeah.
More
express pizza videos.
It's kind of quasi short.
Because we save all the time of setting everything up and getting the cameras in place, so this is a lot easier. We're going to try this out.
Oh. It's going so fast I almost sprinkled it with semolina, but this is sprinkled with Parmesan.
And this format may be a flop, so your feedback, as always, comments and questions are always appreciated. Oh, and don't tell me soppressata.
Again. But we have to put on a lot more because we're making such a big pizza. Oh, it really, it's kind of surprising how much more cheese you need. Is that going to be acceptable, Bill?
Oh, that's fine. And so are you pulling it, you're going to pull it off the table, right? I imagine I'm going to get this way.
Or not just over here.
Oh, we're going to try and...
Whoa.
Oh, that's a big pizza. We need a bigger peel.
Well, I think this is good.
Well, let's see.
This is a 14-inch peel.
Let's see.
So, do I need to bring the camera with me?
No.
Oh, okay.
Big pizza being launched. I got to put it in the back.
Oh, it's good.
It's a little far back. Oh, I didn't turn it down. There you go.
Okay. There's a little bit of crust there.
Yeah, I kind of flipped it over. All right, trying to make our largest pizza to date. Okay, we got some things popping up.
I kind of straighten out the little, ooh. Our neighbor gave us this poker.
Uh-oh.
Well, that's good. That looks good.
Well,
Just let it.
we're getting a little burn.
Oh.
Okay, see how it turns out. This could be a flop.
Well, it's not from the stretching. I don't think it's.
No, your stretching was fine. Okay. All right. Well, a little char. Here.
Oh.
All right. Let's see how this goes.
I guess I need the brown. Do we have it?
Yeah. It's inside.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's still kind of soft in the middle, huh?
Yeah. Well, we could always try that new suggestion
Well,
of just turning it off and leaving it in.
well, I think we need to cook a little more. There's a little
Okay.
more dough than what we're used to.
Okay.
See? Okay, we got a little bit of hole.
Oh.
A little bit of a hole.
Maybe I made it too thin.
It was, well, there was a spot that was too thin. Okay, here. And I think I launched it a little bit too far back.
Oh. And
'Cause-
then we didn't have the pizza off.
Yeah, we didn't have the oven down.
Is it down now?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So we got a little, I think we're gonna have to call something here, Lori. I think we're gonna turn it off.
Turn it off.
All right, we're gonna let it just sit on the stone.
Oh, we
And-
don't even have our wire rack handy.
Yeah, we don't even have our wire rack handy. No, it's right down there.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not sure. I think we're gonna have to bring it inside, so
Okay.
I put it on the table.
Or you can put it on the wire rack. I'll put the wire rack inside.
Actually, that wire rack is probably too small for this pizza, so let's.
Oh,
So we're learning a lot here.
okay.
Everything we've made has kind of been smaller. All right, I'm gonna take it out.
Okay. There.
Okay.
Oh. I see. Looks good.
Yeah. Okay, so we have an issue where we broke through. Maybe we rolled it out too thin. Maybe, or you press it out too thin, and I probably put it too far back. I didn't turn the oven down.
Yeah.
But this is,
Combination of factors.
and this is the way it goes sometimes. If you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. And what do you always say?
Like, share, and subscribe. I
All
guess
right.
we're ready to cut it.
Yeah, thanks for dropping in, and until next time.
See you next time. Bye.